Nothing was really getting in here because I had the back sealed off. You can actually see where. But going this way, put my finger in here. And let's see if you can see. You can see my finger going through. Yeah, it's blowing stuff everywhere when I got the air conditioner on so I can see where the intrusions are. So there's actually a big old gap back here before the vent. Okay, after making a huge mess, I have the bathroom vent all taped up, and I put great stuff, sealed it, and then I taped it up with the 3M full HVAC tape. And I went ahead and I used a grinder. See how it's angled on this side? Well, I pulled out some of the styrofoam up in the vent itself, and I needed to get an X-Acto knife, but I created more of a channel for it. And this does is going to smooth the airflow down into this vent. So I'm going to put this up in here, and we're going to have more airflow down in the vent. As you can see, I taped up the whole inside of the vent all the way around. But before I did that, I filled in all the holes with great stuff. You gotta be very careful with it because it expands. So like I'll put some in this channel and over here, and it actually came through. So what I did was, while it was still kind of soft, it's really easy just to scrape it off with your fingers, and so you can see up in there